how to install Escalade tail lights in your Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, and GMC Yukon. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So I'm going to show you how to replace the factory tail light assembly from your Yukon, Tahoe, or Suburban and go to the Escalade style that you see here. This is super simple. I have my tool bag, but I'm not going to need any of those tools. Only need one thing: a Phillips head screwdriver. I do want to note that this is not a GM OEM tail light. This is aftermarket, and it actually was specifically designed to go on the 2007 to 2014 trucks. These can be found on eBay and Amazon, but it's a super simple install. So let's get started. After you've opened the tailgate, the first thing you'll want to do is remove 3 Phillips head screws. The first one is right here at the top. Second is in the middle right here. And the third one is right here. So I'm going to remove those 3 Phillips head screws. And now I'm going to go underneath the truck, and you'll see the electrical connector right here. Push the tab here and pull it away. The 3 screws are out and the connector is disconnected from underneath the truck. So the next step is to pull out the tail light assembly and then just pull the harness up through the bumper. With the tail light out, we can see one more screw that needs to be removed from the bottom of this black trim. It's a Phillips head screw, so I'm going to take this out. So those are the 4 screws right here. So now I should be able to pull out the trim. You may have to give it a wiggle, but it should come right out. It was held in with 2 screws on this side, and on this side it slots in behind the glass. So now we're ready for the new tail light. So one of the great things about this tail light assembly is that it's pretty much plug and play. You don't have to do any wiring yourself. It comes with a resistor which prevents hyperflash when you turn on the blinkers. But the resistor has connectors. You just snap them in, and they only go one way. And then the electrical connector here will plug right into the factory location down here. So now I'm going to get the tail light in place, put the wire down, and put it back together. Just make sure you line up the slots on the side behind the glass. There's also one alignment pin here and another alignment pin down here. Make sure you have it lined up before you push it in. Just reinstall the 4 Phillips screws. With the light in place, we can go underneath the truck and connect the wiring harness. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.